Yes. I will do the conversation first. Apply to all samples. Yes. Then you start with unstained. Gate. Gate again. Change it to the height. Gate.
Okay, again.
Then
And you want to do side scatter W on this side?
side scatter.
No, it's not there. Okay, ignore it, don't worry about it. Alright, so go into Live Dead. So drag.
Okay.
Okay, so highlight those two.
What, the life dead?
Now the lymphocytes and single cells.
Okay.
And then drag it to the Live Dead.
Okay.
And then open the single cells on Live Dead.
Single cells.
And now do the cyan. Okay.
Cyan. Histogram it? Histogram?
And now drag those three.
From the life dead?
Yeah, so lymphocyte, single cell, cyan.
Yeah.
And then drag that to isotype.
Yeah, this is nice.
And now open cyan. Okay, and now change it to
Fitzy?
or Fitzy.
Yeah, TCR.
Fitzy. And now gate negatively. Move it so it's a 0.
From here?
That's fine.
It has to be 0, right?
0 point something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And now drag highlight all those 4.
Okay. No. Understand the isotope, right?
So those populations there.
Okay.
Now drag that to all of your experimental conditions.
Where is this? Okay, to each, okay. Like sample 1. Okay. And drag it again to sample 2 and level up, right? Drag it again to sample 2. Drag it again to sample 3. Right.
And now you can analyze it on the layout editor.
Okay, that's easy. I know how to analyze it on the layout.
Why don't you check what the isotype is relative to the sample?
Okay.
The layout editor. So drag. Oops. So drag cyan.
From the isotope, right?
Yep. drag the AmCyan subset in, and the sample, one Owen sample, AmCyan. See if there's a shift. Hey, there's a little shift. Tiny, but there's a little shift. Zoom in.
So it seems I did it right on the fax machine. Good.
I think so. Let's have a look. Yeah, so you've gone from 0.23 of the population to 24.5% of the population.
So there is a shift.
Yeah, of about 100%. No, 100-fold.
Good. Good. So what I do now, layout, because in the layout I make it like this. I did it to show how I get it, to show the result for whatever I'm gonna show for.
So here you take each gate as you made it. So delete that. So you have unstained.
Yeah.
So you take this one, right?
Okay.
Because it has the name here, sample 1 Owen unstained.
Yeah.
And you've picked this.
Yeah.
Right. So we should put that there just to make it neater.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have live dead, right?
Yeah.
So take your lymphocytes. So okay, you had single cells too, but this was here, right? So sample unstained.
Yeah.
Take your lymphocytes, which will show the single cell population. You put that there. Okay. Right. And then now, because you can't go any further because you didn't apply live dead to these, so you can't show the live dead on this.
Yeah.
You have to show the live dead on the cells that you applied live dead to.
Yeah.
So this is live dead, I believe, here, and then you put single cell across. No, don't put that. There we go. Right. Because it'll say in here which sample it was.
Yeah.
Right. And
This is a live dead.
Yeah, and it'll say it's a live dead stain. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And then you do the same for the next one. Where's the next one? So this is isotype control. And now you'll do the same thing over here, and it'll show you that you made the gate on the isotype control.
Yeah.
Right, and then you apply that gate to your population of cells.
Yeah.
Okay. And then in the results, you don't have to show this every time because you've shown it once.
Yeah.
Okay, because you've built it up over different samples.
Yeah.
And now for your results, you can just do. This is the sample, right? You just do this. This one.
You don't have to repeat it again and again because they're all the same. Okay.
Yeah. So this is them, and then which else? You did up, right? So up, up. This. Actually, so up is like nothing. It's 2.48. Tiny. There's barely any expression there. Down is 3.3. Barely any expression there as well. So that's like negative. And there was one more, wasn't there? P29, Passage 29.
Yeah.
So have a look at them. Yeah, 0.14, so even less. Okay.
Okay.
So there's no expression. The only expression is in the sample you got from me from that group.
Yes.
So you put that there, and that's what your results will look like. And it's much easier to see now, right? Because you don't have pages of stuff.
Yeah.
You can just show it very easily with one page.
You're right.
And if you want to show, if there's like not much of a difference between your isotype here and your primary, because the shift it looks very small.
Yeah.
To make it better again, you can, if you wanted to, you could
overlap
it. So is this one unstained? No, where's it gone? Isotype.
Yeah, this one.
So, but you want to do it separately, okay? So you have, so all these are comparable, and then these two are comparable. This is the isotype, and then sample 1.
No, this unstained.
Owen sample.
Yeah.
And just stick it there, and you can show that.
Okay. That's really fantastic.
And it's much easier to use, like that.
Yeah.
It's easier for people to see.
Yeah.
Because if I look at that, I'm like, what is going on? But if I look at this, you can see. So put strategy results above each one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How I did gate the unstained and the live dead and the isotype, and the result, the overlapping.
So strategy, and then just some here. Yeah. Just make it go across the page. And then if you want to put on the same page, you just put, you know how to do this bit, right? You just hit scale to width.
For what?
If you put scale to width, it puts it all onto one page for you. So when you print it, it prints on one page.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
You put scale to page.
Scale to page.
And it scales it. Different again.
Uh-huh.
There we go. Okay.
And then you export as page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.